Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the RAW file or high-resolution scan and converting it to a smart object so edits remain non-destructive. Next, correct white balance and exposure in Camera Raw to restore neutral tones. This sets the stage for accurate color work. Once done, crop and straighten to frame the subject, then apply lens profile corrections for distortion and vignetting removal. Make sure to duplicate the background layer so every step can be undone, and proceed only when the image looks balanced overall. You now shape contrast and texture. Use curves and levels on masked adjustment layers to protect skin tones and mid-range detail while increasing punch. For surface damage, remove dust and scratches with the spot healing brush and switch to frequency separation when texture versus tone needs separate treatment. This preserves grain while fixing blemishes. Once clean, apply split toning. Warm the highlights and cool the shadows to mimic celluloid dyes. Then blend that layer with soft light or color to taste, adjusting opacity until it feels cohesive. To finish, add a subtle vignette to focus the eye, then introduce film grain at around 0.5 to 3% so the image reads authentically rather than digitally. Convert a merged copy to sharpen using high pass set to overlay or soft light and mask sharpening where necessary to avoid accentuating defects. When exporting, choose sRGB for web or TIFF for print and include metadata. If you see banding, add a hair of noise if halos appear. Lower clarity or reduce contrast locally to smooth transitions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.